In this video we'll take a look at lock configuration. Click on a selected area to proceed. You can edit an existing lock, or select new product to add a lock. Enter a product name. Select device type, mode, and your lock model. In this video, I'll use the C100 for demonstration purposes. Physical lock type, firmware upgrade file if required, and then the hub the lock will be paired with. Firmware upgrade will be covered in part 5. Configure radio polling interval and click on Next. You can select an existing configuration template, or click New Configuration Template to set up a new template that defines the lock settings. Enter a name for the template and click on Next. In this step you'll select the RFID technology the lock supports and then on Next to proceed. Set the RFID search order. Set the lock open time and lock jammed alarm timeout. Lock jammed retry settings and click on Next. This setting is optional. Click on Next to proceed. Card read indication and Bluetooth settings. Sensitivity and power level and then on Next. Battery check and status report intervals and click on Next. This is a summary of the template settings. Click Next to proceed or back if you need to make changes. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen. A list of the configured locks will be displayed and allow you to view and manage settings. Program the locks on site with your phone. Log in to the Aperio Installer app and download your site files. The site files have been successfully downloaded. Select the lock you want to configure. Hold the phone to the lock's reader. The configuration is complete. Lock LED indications. The lock has 3 LEDs. They support an optical scheme with red, yellow, and green. The indication scheme is described by the figures on the right. Coming soon, Part 5. Firmware upgrade.